Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create custom receipts on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over in here on our settings. And then after that, scroll down in your left sidebar right here until you reach the option for notifications. So click on this notification, and in here you should be able to see these customer notifications. Under here, you should be able to see the customer notifications for order, job order invoice, local pickup, local delivery, gift cards, order exceptions, payments, point of sale, shipping, returns, and a lot more. So these notifications right here actually customize themselves. So for example, when someone actually orders from your shop, they should be able to see an actual preview of their product. For example, they ordered this, they should be able to see this. But for example, they ordered the t-shirt only, they will only see the t-shirt. So in a way, they're actually customized on their own length. It actually depends on what order they have or what return policy they are actually doing. So you can also head over in here on your point of sale. You can see this POS and mobile receipt. And in here, you should be able to see a preview of the email. You can also see in here the order summary and all of these things right here. The customer information as well as the order summary are all customizable depending on what they input on their end. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.